Already got the Ancovo non-contact digital thermometer. Looking forward to checking this out. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Let's open this up. QC passed, quality control passed. Who doesn't need one of these days? This crazy world we're living in. So look at that, nice little kit. It comes in velvet bag, very nice. There's the unit itself. The Ancovo with the digital display, and it comes with batteries. You get your batteries with it. I like that. Quick user guide and a user manual. All right, put the batteries in, pretty easy. And we got a measure button on the front right here. There's the thermometer on it, so just press that. That turns it on. Simple enough. Who doesn't know how to use one of these yet? So you just put this thing about an inch from your head, press and hold the button. Look at that, 97.7. I always seem to be 97.7. You guys always have the same temperature? I'm always the same temperature. It also has a mute button on here, so you don't have to hear that annoying beep if you don't want to hear it. So you just press the mute button until it turns on. Look, watch. No beep, 97.8. If you long press the mute button on here, you can change it from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So it does Fahrenheit and Celsius. Perfect. Another cool feature too is it has a memory button on here. So it stores the last 35 sets of readings that you took. So you can actually press the memory button, press it, and you can look at reading number 1, reading number 3 right there, and it tells you. That's me playing around with it. Reading number 4. That's actually a cool feature. So if you took someone's temperature, say at an office type setting, and you forget what you did, you just hit the memory 1 button, it'll be the last one up there, and you got it saved automatically. And you've got a setting on here, if you press the memory button for more than 3 seconds, you can shoot it at an object like this, and it'll tell you the temperature of the object. It says my room's 90 degrees, and I'm gonna go ahead and say that that's pretty correct, because it's hot in here. After you take the temperature on this, it just times itself out and turns itself off automatically, and you press the temperature button to turn it back on again. So that's cool. It'll save batteries that way. So anyway, lightweight, feels good in your hand. It's got a nice button, everything's thumb controlled on here, which is what you want. Comes in a nice case. These things are great for nowadays. You might want to throw one of these in your luggage if you travel a lot. Before you get on an airplane, you might want to check your temperature, make sure you're doing all right. These are great for the home, great for the office, and obviously great for kids because they're non-contact infrared. So if you're looking for an affordable digital non-contact thermometer, check out this one by Ancovo. Check it out.